What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sheetal, and if you're new here, hello. I make beauty and lifestyle related videos on YouTube. And if you like what you have watched so far, then please consider subscribing to my channel. And now let's move on towards today's video. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a Miniso haul. It is my first ever time to try Miniso things because where I live, there's no Miniso around. So I bought all of these things online. And yeah, I bought few things first because there's no return policy on the Miniso products. So yeah, I still have many products to show to you guys. So yeah, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with the first thing, and the first thing that I have got is this organizer tray. So it is of this acrylic material which is of really good quality. It has these six compartments which you can store different things. So I basically bought this to store my makeup, and the quality is so good, guys. It is really good. It is very sturdy, looks very chic and classic. So yeah, like this is a really good quality thing. I was not expecting such good quality, and it costed me around rupees 250, I guess. Yeah, 250 rupees, and for 250 rupees the quality is so good. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna buy more of these, like 4 or 5 more of these, because I do need to organize my makeup neatly. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna buy more of these, because the quality is to die for. The quality is really good. So if you wanna things, or if you want a tray to organize your things, then you can surely go ahead and buy this one. It's really good. Also, all the links will be mentioned in the description box below, so if you want to buy something from this haul, then you can go ahead and use those links. Now moving on to the next thing, it is also one of like a home decor thing, and it's a candle by Miniso. So it's the Miniso Elegant Series Secret Candle. Sorry, Elegant Series Scent Candle in Delicate Lavender, the variant. So it does have a like taster over here. Let me open it for you guys. Okay, so this is how the candle looks. It's a very good candle. It's very sturdy. It says that it has a lavender smell, but I don't think it has a lavender smell. It is somewhat like mint and lime mix kind of a scent, which is good actually. It is very refreshing. It is not really a lavender fragrance, but other than that, the quality of this candle is really good. The cup is very sturdy. So yeah, I'm planning on decorating this wall behind me, so that's why I got this. And yeah, I'm gonna surely gonna try different versions, like variants from this one. So yeah, if you are into candles, then you can surely give it a try. This one costed me rupees 190 only, and which is very cheap for scented candles, because usually we don't get candles for such cheap price. Because I have seen candles in Bath and Body Works. I have bought candles from West Side, and those are very expensive, and this is really cheap and actually good quality. So yeah, this is the second thing I got from Miniso. Okay, so moving on to the next thing that I got, and it is my most favorite thing from this haul. Is these are these eye brushes, makeup brushes. So these are these eyeshadow brushes. Oh my god, these brushes are so beautiful. I'll just open and show it to you guys. Okay, so this is how these brushes looks. These are so gorgeous. This looks so gorgeous. They are very long, which is very easy to use. Like they have tapering ends. I got like you will. They said that you will get any random color, but I got this beautiful rose gold color. So one is the eyeshadow brush, like a blending brush, and one is a packing brush, I guess. But it is very fluffy. The quality of these brushes are so good and looks very pretty. I don't even wanna use them and make them dirty with eyeshadow. Like that's how much I like these. The quality is so good. These brushes are for 260 rupees only. So like means one brush is for 130 rupees, which is really good, because usually eyeshadow brushes are very expensive, and the quality of these brushes is extremely good, like so good. So yeah, I'll surely buy more brushes from Miniso, because these ones are really good. Okay, so moving on to the next thing that I got from Miniso. So it's a skincare thing, and I was very skeptical about buying these things from Miniso, because I don't know like if Miniso skincare is good or not. But then still, these are just sheet masks, so I got them. It's a pack of 3 sheet masks, And yeah, I got this mask for rupees 180, like three masks for rupees 180, which is very affordable. Usually we get shit mask for 100 rupees each, or for the Garnier ones we buy it on offer, then those are cheap. But these ones, these like one mask costed me rupees 60 only, so which is a really good deal. I have not tried any of these yet, but yeah, I'll if I try this, and I'll make sure to let you know about my thoughts about this on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me there. So yeah, I cannot wait to actually try this. And if these masks turns out good, then I'll surely buy more of these because they are very cheap. And yeah, they also have a six wala pack, but I first got three mask wala pack only. I have thought let's just try and then we'll invest in more things. Okay, so moving on to the next thing that I got. So it's a body mist. I know I was on a no perfume buy, but this mist was so cheap. I got this one for 260 rupees only, and you get 250 ml of product in this one, which is so affordable. Like this will last you for 6 months at least, like for 6 months at least. And yeah, it's a really good mist. I actually like the fragrance. I was not expecting much from this because the price is very low, so I was thinking like I might get very look common sense which gives you headaches. So I was expecting like something वैसा कुछ तो आएगा, but this one is actually good. Like it is very refreshing. It is extremely refreshing. I tried this 2 3 times and it is really good. It is like lavender. Like if you know lavender plus orange mix, it is very refreshing. Of course it does not last that long. First thing is it's a mist and it is not really expensive, so we cannot expect it to last long, but it is really refreshing again. So yeah, you can surely give it a try and use it every day after bath. And yeah, I just love it. Like it's too good. The fragrance is too good and it's very soothing. Okay, so moving on to the next thing that I got. So these are the nail paints from Miniso. So I have seen so many Miniso hauls, and every time I see the hauls, all those people say कि Miniso nail paints की quality बहुत अच्छी है. So that's why I got these three nail paints. So each nail paint cost for rupees 90 only. So that's really a good thing because I tried these nail paints on my toe. So these are really good, like so good. The white is so good. You just need to apply it once, and the pigmentation, the color is there. I have got one lavender color as well, like a lilac color, and one it's what the shade name is, pearl peach. So the first shade is a pearl peach. The next shade is gray violet, and then the another shade is pure white. So the quality is really good, guys, and they are so inexpensive. And yeah, like they have all sorts of pastel shades, which is a really good thing because it's summer and it's kind of a pastel season. So yeah, these nail paints are really good. So if you want to buy good nail paints and pastel colors, then you can surely give these a try. I'll make sure to link these three in the description box if you want to buy these exact shades. And now moving on to the last thing that I got. So it is are these square cotton pads. It's a huge pack of this. I've got one more, so I think I like started using that already. So yeah, these are these cotton pads, and oh my god, these pads are so soft, you guys. Like it is really soft, very, like I have not seen any. I used to use those tulips on which I showed in my previous video. Those are also really good, but these are extremely smooth, like extremely smooth, and these are extremely gentle on skin as well. And this one pack is for 150 rupees. So you are getting 180 cotton pads in this one, and this one pack will last you for a year. Like if you are someone who does not do makeup like very often, this will last you for more than a year, and this will last me for 6 months because I usually do makeup on everyday basis. So yeah, like this is really good. The quantity is so much and the quality is also really good. So if you want to buy good quality cotton pads, then you can surely give this a try. Okay, so that was not the last thing. I have one more product, and this is the last thing that I got. So this one I got thoda earlier. So this is again a makeup brush set. It's a mini makeup brush set, and this one costed me rupees 190, and it has 4 brushes in this. So I am not really a fan of these brushes, guys. So these are very tiny, so it gets very difficult to use them. Still, this one brush I like because it's very good to pack a dark eyeshadow shade on your lids. So yeah, this one is, yeah, you can use actually all of these. Like this one you can use for blush and all, but these are not like mandatory brushes and extremely good quality and like you have to have it. These are not like that. So you can try this, but these are very mini, like very chota, so it's get very difficult to use them. But other than that, you can make some use out of it. So yeah, this is the last thing that I got. And yeah, so yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Those were all the things that I got from Miniso. Like I bought a few things first because there's no return policy. So that's why I wanted to buy a few things first, try them, and then I'll buy more things for sure because I love the quality from Miniso. Like the price is so cheap and quality of each and every product is so good. So I'm gonna surely buy more things from Miniso. And yes, Miniso haul part 2 might as well come very soon. So yeah, and yeah, hope you like the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to give it a like. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so every time I post a video you'll get notified. And also, if you wanna know how I created this beautiful makeup look over here, then please go ahead to my Instagram and follow me there. I usually post makeup videos on my Instagram. I'll make sure to mention my Instagram handle and the link in the description box below. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.